Hi, this is Sandy with It's Time to Make Sense, and today we're going to be adding how to create a Google blog, and I'm going to be able to put that into the link, Learn to Blog. So, the press release is going to be through ibolsocial.com. So, if you're looking for this press release or you're not on YouTube, you can come over to ibolsocial.com/the time is now, and if you click on PRS, the tutorials will be right here for Google Blogger. Now, with Google Blogger, you can create a blog, but if you're not wanting to do a blog and you want to do a website or a store, you can do that free through Wix. And I also have those which are included in the press release, but I also have them here. And I'm going to show you the dates so that you know where to get them. Okay, so build your own website, blog, or online store was $9.9, and then how to edit your blog part 2 is $9.13. You also can find these within Learn to Blog on itstimettomakesense.com. Okay, so today what we're showing you how to do is how to create a free Google blog. Now, you do need a Gmail account which is connected to everything, your YouTube, your Gmail account. So your Gmail is similar to your Facebook, and to get to there, you would just go to Google Profile, and this is where your posts are going to be. Now, when you do your post for your Google blog, it's going to pop up and it's going to come within here, okay? So whatever I blog today, it's going to automatically post when I'm finished with that particular one, and I'll show you how to do that. So what you do is, once you have your Gmail account, you're all set up, you're going to click on these little boxes here. And when you scroll down, you're going to click on More, and you're going to go to Blogger. Okay, so now all I have to do is, I just want to show you real quick, you're going to land on this page, and all I have to do is continue to Blogger. This is what the first screen is going to pop up. I was a little ahead of myself because I got started, but this is what you're going to see when you click on the box to first get started. Then you're going to be here and you're going to click Create New Blog. Okay, so the title of the blog is, okay, now even though I do have a domain for this, I'm just going to leave it as the Blogspot domain. And this is going to be your actual domain unless you buy one. You can buy a custom domain later. So we're going to leave it at startlosingpoundsnow.blogspot.com. Okay, we're going to choose a template. You can always change this later. It doesn't have to be what you choose right now. I'm going to pick this one, okay, and you just click Create Blog. Okay, so we don't want to do a domain because I already have one. So if you wanted to do a domain, you can. If you're just getting started, you don't have to. Okay, so all you have to do now is, you can add pages, but we're going to get into that later. Right now, what we're going to do is I'm just going to show you how to post your first blog, and then we'll get into pages and all these different things as we go, okay? So you would click on Post, and as you can see, there's nothing here. So you click on the little pencil, and I can start my blog. Now, if you want to compose, this is the compose link. If you want to do HTML and add something that's going to be, say, like a banner or something of that nature, you would post that here. So let's go back to Compose, and what I'm going to do is I am going to pull something that I've done as a press release just to show you how you can copy and paste directly from a press release. So let me see what I want to choose to do. Okay, so my first blog post is going to be, where else can you join a business for $35? So when it opens up, so say for instance you've been doing this forever and now you want to create a blog, you can just copy and paste for quickly being able to start your blog. So I'm just going to copy my title, I'm going to paste it. Okay, let's go back to the press release. I'm going to copy it, paste it. Now, if you want this to be left or right, you would just highlight it, and right here can be left, can be to that side, right? It can be to that side, or you can keep it centered the way you have it in your press release. Okay, so now we want to add this image to the press release. And what you're going to do is you're going to click on your little image here. And here are my Plexus images, so I just click on there and I open and it uploads. So you choose your file, it brings up your picture, you have to click on it, it highlights, and you add your picture. Okay, so come back down again, scroll down a little more, copy, paste, and again, we want to add that image. So you click on the little picture and you choose files. Okay, so we got our second picture here, and you can see there it is. Okay, so let's go back to our press release, and what's nice is I have links right within this press release, so all I have to do is copy, and the blogger is going to pick up all the links I already have, so I don't have to do anything. I just leave it, and I can check them when I do upload and make it publish, but all my links are in there, so I don't have to. If I wanted to, I can highlight something and I can create a link. See, so you just add your URL, but we don't want to do that because we already have that. So, but if you do want to do it, so say for instance, I want to go over to my Plexus website and I want to add, let's see, like a link to the products. I can just highlight where my products are, copy, go into Blogger, and I could add a link. So you highlight it, add a link, paste, and click OK. And there I have another link. So you can learn more here about Plexus Ease, okay? Go down a little more, go back to your press release, and now we're going to add this image. So go back to Blogger, click your little image, choose Files, click on the image, and we added that image. So it's really quick if you have press releases already completed and your links are already there. Now, if you didn't have something ready and you wanted to type all this out, you can do that. Okay, let's go down 2 more. We're almost done. So you can literally just transfer over some of, let's do the 3 ways to buy. Click on the image, scroll down because you want your picture to be right. Okay, so I added a different image than the one that I have in my press release, which you can do. You don't have to make it exact same as your press release. So we're just going to finish the last of this. Copy, bring it over to Blogger, paste, I'm going to add this, I'm going to add 2 more images. So I'm going to put this on pause just for a second to get my images in here so I don't hold you up. So I just wanted to show you that I uploaded the images that I wanted to upload. Now if I want to do just one, I would just highlight one and click Add Selected. But if I want to add all of these at one time, I can click Add Selected, and all the images come up at one time. So now my blog is completed. This is the first one. Okay? So now what we're going to do is we can preview the blog. And this stuff I'm going to show you how we can edit it as we go. Okay? So there's my first blog post. It's that simple. So what we're going to do is we're going to publish. And that is how you do your first blog. Now I'll show you how to edit your template, but this is where it pops up for you to add this to Google+. So whenever you post a blog post, this is going to pop up so that you could share on your Google+ page. So we can put, if you're interested in helping others with weight loss and a healthy lifestyle, read my blog post. Okay, and that's all you have to do, and you click share, and that's going to go directly, just like it's Facebook, it would go to Google+. So I'll be doing more videos in the next few days to show you how you can edit your theme, how you can add your little archives here, how you can add your pages, even how you can add a Google AdSense. So if you have any questions or comments and you want to know more than what I'm showing you, please leave the comments below. And if you're not a member of IBO Toolbox, then most certainly come over to ibosocial.com/thechimeisnow. Click on the little pencil here so that you can comment on the different press releases if you have a question, and I'll be happy to help you. Once you click on the pencil, you give your last name, your first name, last name, your email, create an account, do your profile, and you can create press releases just like this one. Thanks for watching, and get started on that blog.